Hey guys, so do you enjoy the game Fishing Planet? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Fishing Planet for 2026 so you can get unlimited bait coins. So as you can see, we're broke right now, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited coins to my Fishing Planet. So I just activated it. So let's see if the coins start going up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Fishing Planet mod so you can get unlimited bait coins as well. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, 59,000, nothing to talk about, but it might start rising. And as you can see, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited bait coins 2026. So as you can see, guys, there it goes. This is crazy. So if you guys play Fishing Planet, guys, it is time to take back the community. We need to rise and stop the developers from charging for bait coins. So go over to tweakmod.com. So in this site, guys, just put Fishing Planet and should be in here somewhere. So just go ahead, press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So you just got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free from official app store. So then you'll have the Fishing Planet modded version on your device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to let it load up. So let's see what happens. As you can see, all right, so it's loading right now. So we're just going to wait for this to finish. All right, and I don't know if this works on PC, sorry, but as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So we just need to download 2 of these apps. We got Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So I just press continue and go to the App Store, play this till level 9. So it's like a game. So that's pretty easy. Now, obviously, they're not all games, but the game ones are pretty simple. So that's how to do it, guys. So then we go back to the list, do some more. So we got, match to win, says reach level 11. Mo Casino, you got the video there you can watch. So that's how to get Fishing Planet mod for your device. And let's go to the App Store, type in Fishing Planet just so you guys can see. You don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version, but as you can see, guys, it's really expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you, but chances are if you clicked on this video, you're not really involved in the payment scene. So that's how to get unlimited bait coins 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later, but this is super cool and it fully works, guys. So if you're tired of being broke on Fishing Planet, now's the time to fight back and get the Fishing Planet mod so you can get unlimited bait coins 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to share it. This is super insane, guys. So as you can see, I'm loaded. Bro, this is ridiculous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get Fishing Planet mod for unlimited bait coins. So if you guys tired of being broke, whatever, it's not really a big deal, but I don't really want to be broke on Fishing Planet anymore. So I took initiative and got the mod. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, that's how to do it, guys. So be sure to try it out if you want to get rich on Fishing Planet. This is the only way that is real, that actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. This actually works, guys. It's so crazy. So have fun, and you can get Fishing Planet bait coins unlocked for your device. So enjoy it. This is super cool. It totally works and everything. So yeah, peace out, guys.